In this video, I want to talk about how I overcome price objections. And the truth of the matter is the way that I overcome them is by dealing with them before I ever even get them. So what I mean by that is I'll actually mention to our customers, you might find that we're a little bit more expensive before they ever bring that up. And what that does is it exerts confidence and therefore makes them curious as to why I'm so confident that we might be more. Because a lot of times in the film industry, people assume that it's all the same and that they're just price shopping. So if I do get a price objection, for instance, why are you guys so much more? I called around and it seems that you guys are substantially more than your competitors. Then I'll bring up our differentiator, which I recommend every shop have. Our specific differentiator is that we have a 100% money back guarantee that says if you're not happy with the workmanship or the service, you simply don't pay. And when I use that differentiator, I always follow it up with the simple question, how does that sound? And that makes them give feedback, and 9 times out of 10 they say, that sounds great. And then in addition to that, what I like to say, if they don't bring up a price objection, so we're talking, I give the price, I say that'll be $320 out the door, and what I can tell you is this, is most people choose us because of our 100% money back guarantee that says if you're not happy with the workmanship or the service, you simply don't pay. How does that sound? Okay. Now in the event that I do get a price objection, I say it'd be $320 out the door, and they say, oh my gosh, that's so much more. Sometimes I'll just simply ask, what is it that you're shopping for? Are you just shopping for the cheapest price possible? Or are you looking for a shop that'll do it right the first time? And by saying the cheapest price possible, 9 times out of 10 I get a great response, well, no, I'm not looking for the cheapest thing possible. Or if they do say, yeah, I am, then I'm happy to refer them and go, because I'm happy to refer you to a shop that'll do it for much, much less. And I exaggerate the confidence. Even though our competitors might just be a little bit less, I'll actually say, I could refer you to someone that'll do it for way cheaper. And that makes them, again, interested in why I'm so confident. And then by nature, because I kind of take the technique of pushing them away, that makes them want us more. And for us, this only really happens over the phone. And that's because they can't see our team, they can't see our facility. When they're on the phone, typically they have a recommendation from a friend, or they can see our reviews online. But they don't see all the other components. And I always say that you have to be the full package. If you're going to be the cheapest, you don't need to be the full package. But if you're going to be on the higher end price point in your community or in your area, then you need to be the whole package. Your reviews need to match the presentation of your shop, the presentation of you physically, your outfit, your tone, your language, your smile need to match the reviews, need to match the shop. Everything needs to match. Otherwise, they become skeptical, and you and I become skeptical as well. I always use the analogy, you would not buy a brand new MacBook Pro in the saran wrap at full retail price at a garage sale, because you're not getting the full package. Yeah, you're getting the brand new MacBook Pro that you can tell has been unopened, but you're not getting the service, you're not getting the experience of shopping at the Mac store. You might as well just go to the Mac store. So what we focus on here at our facility is being the whole package, meaning having everything match. Now, that doesn't mean come to work in a suit and tie, because that wouldn't match our facility. So it's not about having everything be a 10. If your price is at an 8, then you need everything to be at an 8. And that's one of my strengths, is just having everything match at the same level. Again, I would be out of place if I dressed any nicer than I do. Then I would need to make our facility nicer, and I would need to change the language, and I would need to change how we answer the phone, and we would sound like an investment firm rather than a film company. So keep this in mind. Any questions, let me know in the comments. As always, we appreciate you if you subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next video.